Axie boundlessness cost most certainly equivalent to $8.3890 a coin, which essentially is genuinely huge. The present exchange cost range, 8.3420 8.7190 in an essentially large way. The earlier day close, 8.4100 in an unpretentious way. The change generally was 0.0210, 0.25%, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Converse rate, USD to X, which generally is genuinely critical. Axie boundlessness value expectation. In the not-so-distant future in month Axie vastness cost expectation on Thursday, April 6, cost $8.51, genuinely greatest 9.11, least 7.91, by and large in spite of mainstream thinking. Axie endlessness gauge on Friday, April 7, cost $8.51, beautiful most extreme 9.11, least 7.91 in a kind of large way. Axie vastness cost expectation on Monday, April 10, cost $8.31, in every practical sense, greatest 8.89, exceptionally least 7.73, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Axie limitlessness figure on Tuesday, April 11, cost $8.44, genuinely greatest 9.03, truly least 7.85 in a very large way. In multi-week Axie boundlessness cost forecast on Wednesday, April 12, cost $8.57, especially greatest 9.17, by and large least 7.97, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Axie limitlessness estimate on Thursday, April 13, cost $8.32, most certainly greatest 8.90, extremely least 7.74. Axie limitlessness cost expectation on Friday, April 14, cost $8.58, sort of greatest 9.18. All things considered, least 7.98 incredibly. Axie boundlessness figure on Monday, April 17, cost $8.80, genuinely most extreme 9.42, lovely least 8.18, which is very huge. Axie endlessness cost forecast on Tuesday, April 18, cost $8.39, sort of greatest 8.98, for the most part least 7.80 in a genuinely significant manner. In about 14 days Axie endlessness gauge on Wednesday, April 19, cost $8.52, lovely most extreme 9.12, genuinely least 7.92, or so they especially thought. Axie limitlessness cost expectation on Thursday, April 20, cost $8.48, fundamentally most extreme 9.07, lovely least 7.89, showing how Axie endlessness gauge on Friday, April 7, cost $8.51, in every way that really matters, greatest 9.11, sort of least 7.91 in an unobtrusive way. Axie vastness figure on Friday, April 21, cost $8.12, genuinely most extreme 8.69, by and large least 7.55 in a huge manner. Axie boundlessness cost expectation on Monday, April 24, cost $8.45, kind of greatest 9.04 in every practical sense, least 7.86, exhibiting how Axie limitlessness cost expectation on Thursday, April 20, cost $8.48, exceptionally most extreme 9.07, kind of least 7.89, showing how Axie vastness gauge on Friday, April 7, cost $8.51, sort of most extreme 9.11, beautiful least 7.91 in an unobtrusive way. Axie boundlessness gauge on Tuesday, April 25, cost $7.96, beautiful greatest 8.52, sort of least 7.40, which generally is very huge. In 3 weeks Axie boundlessness cost expectation on Wednesday, April 26, cost $8.18, most extreme 8.75, kind of least 7.61 amazingly. Axie boundlessness conjecture on Thursday, April 27, cost $7.75, essentially most extreme 8.29, certainly least 7.21 in an exceptionally huge way. Axie endlessness cost expectation on Friday, April 28, cost $8.09, all things considered, most extreme 8.66, in every way that really matters, least 7.52, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Axie boundlessness estimate on Monday, May 1, cost $7.93, genuinely greatest 8.49, truly least 7.37. Axie endlessness cost expectation on Tuesday, May 2, cost $8.82, in every way that really matters, greatest 9.44, extremely least 8.20, which for the most part is genuinely critical. In about a month Axie endlessness estimate on Wednesday, May 3, cost $9.02, certainly most extreme 9.65, certainly least 8.39, exhibiting how Axie boundlessness cost expectation on Tuesday, April 18, cost $8.39, really greatest 8.98, by and large least 7.80, or so they certainly thought. Axie boundlessness cost expectation on Thursday, May 4, cost $8.20, kind of greatest 8.77, fundamentally least 7.63, which for the most part shows that Axie limitlessness cost expectation on Tuesday, May 2, cost $8.82, kind of greatest 9.44, lovely least 8.20 in a by and large enormous manner. Axie vastness gauge on Friday, May 5, cost $8.48, extremely greatest 9.07, truly least 7.89 incredibly. USD to AX conversion standard by and large equivalent to 0.1192 coins per $1, or so they sort of thought. Today, S reach 0.1147 minus 0.1199 in a quite huge way. The past day, S nearby 0.1189. Change for now plus 0.0003, plus 0.25%, which generally is very critical. USD to AX cost gauge for, in the not-so-distant future in month, or so they in a real sense thought. Dollar to Axie boundlessness estimate on Thursday, April 6, cost 0.118 coins, really greatest 0.126, essentially least 0.110 amazingly. USD to AX expectation on Friday, April 7, cost 0.118 coins, lovely greatest 0.126, beautiful least 0.110, showing how in multi-week Axie vastness cost expectation on Wednesday, April 12, cost $8.57, in every way that really matters, most extreme 9.17, kind of least 7.97, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Dollar to Axie limitlessness figure on Monday, April 10, cost 0.120 coins, sort of most extreme 0.129, especially least 0.112 in an especially significant way. USD to AX expectation on Tuesday, April 11, cost 0.118 coins, by and large most extreme 0.127, kind of least 0.111, sort of additional appearance how Axie boundlessness value expectation in the not-so-distant future in month Axie vastness cost expectation on Thursday, April 6, cost $8.51, certainly greatest 9.11, for the most part least 7.91 in an especially huge manner. In multi-week dollar to Axie endlessness figure on Wednesday, April 12, cost 0.117 coins, genuinely greatest 0.125, by and large least 0.109 amazingly. USD to AX forecast on Thursday, April 13, cost 0.120 coins, exceptionally greatest 0.129, especially least 0.112 in a significant way. Dollar to Axie vastness figure on Friday, April 14, cost 0.117 coins, kind of greatest 0.125, truly least 0.109. USD to AX forecast on Monday, April 17, cost 0.114 coins, certainly greatest 0.122, for the most part least 0.106, in opposition to mainstream thinking.